I personally believe that Myco is the future. And why am I saying that? I'm saying that because Myco considers the viewer as well. We are not just a platform जो कि content creator को pay करते हैं, but we also pay our viewers.
So it's not just a platform where you can view content, but also make money out of it. Like you can make it kind of a profession, if we could say. Not profession.
You can make it a side hustle, yes.
Side hustle, especially for influencers and I think YouTube creators, like content creators, if they're looking for a platform extra other than that. I think जैसे TikTok पे काफी हद तक बात भी होती है, right? Like there are particular platforms जहाँ से you can make money and you can't make money out of it. So this is one of those platforms where
we are one of those platforms, and we take full pride in that because I don't think any other platform is paying or giving money to the viewer. We are basically giving power to the viewer.
And I think we kind of hold back these experiences from children as well. Like we don't let them go and explore. अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। आज इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरीज में हमारे साथ हैं हुस्ना बख्श फ्रॉम माइको। शी इज़ द ब्रांड फेस ऑफ इट। आज हम उनके साथ सीखेंगे व्हाट माइको इज़, व्हाट इट इज़ अबाउट एंड अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट हर जर्नी। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग एंड हाउ आर यू?
I'm great. How are you, Aisha?
I'm good, thank you so much. So I think start करने से पहले थोड़ी सी हमारी बात हुई थी and I really am really looking forward to understand what Myco is. It's really inspiring in one way or the other. And to begin with a little bit of brief, I feel like कि जैसे startups पे आपने बात की, it's very important कि हम लोग इस चीज़ को भी थोड़ा सा highlight करें कि startups भी हमारी economy में चल जाते हैं. I mean, एक वो preconceived notion भी है कि when you're starting something in the economy, if it's going to flourish, whether I should start as an employee. I mean, लोगों के अंदर जो fresh graduates हैं, they don't want to really be a part of a new startup, right? So I would like to know how you became a part of Myco and what do you exactly do over there. So yes.
Okay, so I started my journey around 2 years back, and I'm also one of the founding members in Pakistan. Right, we are a Dubai-based company. We are actually the Myco actually is based in Dubai. But Pakistan ki team is doing phenomenal, and I personally believe we are not a startup anymore.
Yeah.
Right.
Just in 2 years, by the way.
Just in 2 years, absolutely. The numbers are huge. आप कॉस्ट रेवेन्यू के नंबर्स की बात करो या फिर आप सोशल मीडिया नंबर्स की बात करो, आप प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर्स की बात करो, आई थिंक माइको इज नो मोर अ स्टार्टअप. We are doing great, and other than that, I have not seen anybody who is not willing to not become a part of our company, at least. Our company culture is great. Our pay scale is great. Our everything at Myco is great.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not just saying that because I'm attached to my company. I'm working for the company, but honestly, I get resumes all the time. My LinkedIn is filled with people. Even Myco's LinkedIn is filled with people applying for the multiple and various roles at Myco. Students, they want to become part of Myco because it's not just because कि हम एक startup हैं. It's also because learning margin बहुत ज़्यादा है. Right, when you are working for a startup, and same has happened with me as well, कि जब मैंने भी काम करना शुरू किया तो considering कि मेरा previous experience क्या था, I've worked with established companies, but at Myco I believe कि हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा creative freedom है. We have a lot of margin to explore new opportunities, new roles, new creativity, just whatever you call it. And that's what we've been doing at Myco as well. We listen to everybody. We take everybody's output in consideration, and we come up with new things, good things.
Right. So what is Myco, first of all?
Myco is your one spot for cricket, for sports, for entertainment, anything that you watch on other platforms. Myco is your go-to spot for anything that you want to watch.
So anything, entertainment, whatsoever.
Anything. It could be dramas, it could be podcasts, it could be influencer videos, it could be UGC content, any content that you see on other platforms. I personally believe that Maiko is the future. And why am I saying that? I'm saying that because Maiko considers the viewer as well. Like unlike other platforms, जो कि सिर्फ content creator
Niche
को
को,
ही,
yeah.
you know, monetarily उनको push करते हैं, monetarily उनको progress करवाते हैं. Maiko, on the other hand, we are not just a platform जो कि content creator को pay करते हैं, but we also pay our viewers to
Oh,
watch the
okay.
content.
How is that possible?
That is possible because अच्छा इसका एक मॉडल है. अब जैसे YouTube, let's talk about YouTube. What YouTube does is whatever the revenue that they're generating from ad or
Ads,
other
yes.
stuff,
Yeah.
they're splitting it between the content creator and the company. Right? It's two parties. It's the content creator and then there's the company, right? What Maiko does is Maiko company अपने आप को हटा देता है उसी मॉडल में से. So it's the content creator and it's the user. So the ad revenue वो split हो जाता है between the user and the content creator.
So it's not just a platform where you can view content, but also make money out of it. Like you can make it kind of a profession, if we could say. Not profession.
You can make it a side hustle, yes.
Side hustle, especially for influencers and I think YouTube creators, like content creators, if they're looking for a platform extra other than that. I think जैसे TikTok पे काफी हद तक बात भी होती है, right? Like there are particular platforms जहाँ से you can make money and you can't make money out of it. So this is one of those platforms where
We are one of those platforms and we take full pride in that because I don't think any other platform is paying or giving money to the viewer. We are
Yeah.
basically giving power to the viewer. And we just don't want the content creator to become rich and rich and rich every day. We also want the viewer who's spending their precious time, who's spending their, अपने eyeballs दे रहे हैं, अपने आप को influence कर रहे हैं. Like me being a user, me being a viewer, why would I just want to waste 8 hours of screen time every week, every day, and I'm not getting anything out of it except मेरा eyesight खराब हो रहा है, and I'm not getting anything else out of it. So Maiko is a platform जहाँ पे आपको वही सब content मिलेगा, like any other social platforms, but even better because we are also a production house. We also produce our own content. We make our own podcast. We make our own series. We make our own whatever you want to call it. Like we do everything. We do YouTube का part ऐसे कि हम UGC content को space देते हैं. And Netflix का part ऐसे है कि हम अपना खुद का भी production करते हैं.
series and all of that.
Series, podcast, हमारी एक बहुत ही famous documentary है, Her Right to Play, which is based on women's football team, Pakistan's.
Right.
And it is sponsored and powered by Unilever, Dove. उसमें हमने basically दिखाया है कि किस तरह even top-notch athletes like our football players, उनको कितना struggle करना पड़ता है. Everything comes with a struggle, with its own struggle,
does,
right?
yeah.
But जब आप एक national level पे खेल रहे हो, जब आप एक इतने बड़े level पे खेल रहे हो, आप अपनी country को represent कर रहे हो, तब आपको struggle face नहीं करनी चाहिए. एक personal struggle is something else, but when you're
Professional
playing
struggle.
for your own country, then it's something else. So that's what we have showcased in our documentary. It's called Her Right to Play. It's available exclusively on Maiko and it's not available anywhere else. So यहाँ हमारा थोड़ा benefit हो जाता है.
That's good. I think इस तरह की stories पे भी highlight होनी चाहिए. Because it is a very well-known thing and it's something which a lot of women go through. And I know a couple of people who are at a very high position comparatively in their profession, but they're going through something similar. Like obviously there's a lot of stuff that goes into it. But if there is any series or any content that could actually motivate people and we can actually raise voice through that, so that's good. कि आप लोगों ने एक balance रखा हुआ है कि there's entertainment but there's also a message that you're conveying through your content.
Entertainment तो वो वाला part है जो कि लोग खुद upload कर रहे हैं. We
Yeah.
are also working for entertainment, yes, but these are the topics that we want to shed light on, right? And it's not just that. I'd like to add one more thing to this. Okay, there are a lot of underprivileged athletes, and there are also a lot of unrecognized athletes that we are helping behind the doors, and it's nowhere on our platform. It's nowhere. कोई आपको written में कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. Socials पे, internet पे out there, but yes, there are a lot of athletes जो कि sort of unsung heroes हैं हमारे country के,
Definitely.
and we are helping them. We are helping them raise their voice. We're helping them raise the funds that they need for their journey.
Definitely.
And this is something that I'm extremely proud of. This was initiated by Sumer Rizvi. He's our co-founder and he's also the CEO of Business Operations. And he's also my boss. And this was something that he initiated with Hamza Khan. He's the youngest squash player. And he has won a lot of tournaments, but I don't think you know him.
We really don't know a lot.
You don't know him, and you wouldn't know a lot of other athletes that we are supporting,
Yeah.
that Maiko is supporting, and honestly, some of them are literally behind the doors. Matlab, as a company and as a startup, yeah, as a firm, I would say I don't think anybody else is doing that.
Right.
People do not really care कि आप क्या कर रहे हो क्या नहीं कर रहे, बट जब हम क्रिकेट को और बाकी और स्पोर्ट्स को जैसे MMA हम दिखा रहे होते हैं, स्क्वॉश पे हम बहुत फोकस्ड होते हैं, तो अगर इस तरह के और स्पोर्ट्स को हम खरीद सकते हैं, हम इनको प्रमोट कर सकते हैं, तो जो इनका पार्ट है, जो एथलीट्स जिनको एक्चुअली ज़रूरत है फंड्स की, जिनको एक्चुअली कुछ करना है पाकिस्तान के लिए, हम उनको काफ़ी सपोर्ट करते हैं.
Because there are a lot of talented people.
There is.
Unfortunately, resources नहीं.
रिसोर्सेज नहीं है प्लस आई थिंक पाकिस्तान में क्रिकेट के अलावा और बहुत ही ऐसा कम कोई स्पोर्ट होगा जहाँ जिसको इतनी माइलेज मिलती है. माइलेज नहीं मिलती. इफ इट्स नॉट क्रिकेट देन पीपल लाइक आई डोंट गिव अ शिट.
They don't even watch.
They don't even watch it. And as a brand, I wouldn't invest on something that people are not watching.
Exactly. Yes.
But I have stories. I have stories of athletes. There's this one boxer that I've recently met. Her name is Bano, and she has a very inspiring story. She's 20 years old.
I've heard about her. Yes.
You must have heard about her. She's 20 years old, and she is making waves in her journey, in her capacity. जो भी वो कर सकती है, वो कर रही है. उसको parents का बहुत अच्छा support है. She started very young. And she has a story that I was just asking her, how did you start? Like, I'm also a woman. Like, I never got the urge to, start fighting and other things like that. And not most of us do, right? Because एक stigma है, एक stereotype है हमारी society में. We don't usually do that.
Fragile body.
Exactly, fragile body. Physically, we can't do that. That's what people say, right? So I asked her why and like what made you do this. So she told me, so when she was 14 years old, उसके इलाके में और उसके आसपास न्यूज़ में I vaguely remember the story, but it was something like कि उनके आसपास न्यूज़ में चल रहा था कि women are getting molested, women are getting raped, and that is exactly when she decided she needs to learn self-defense. And she went out to learn self-defense, and that is exactly when she had the spirit to become the fighter that she is today. She's a great kickboxer. She's a great fighter. I think she's won a couple of medals as well. She has won a couple of fights as well from very big competitors. She has won one from, I think, India, from, a couple of other countries. Exactly. So, yeah.
Well, that's a good thing.
That's a good thing. And this is the story I want to bring out there.
For sure,
this is the story that I want to bring to people. This is the story that we'd like brands to know, other people to know, people like you to know. Okay, there are athletes out there.
Yeah.
These are the athletes that you should support.
Exactly. And I think we kind of hold back the experiences from children as well. Like, we don't let them go and explore. Let's suppose, given the circumstances, I was really sad. Obviously that's not something to be encouraged in the society, that there's women harassment and rape cases. But other than that also, let's suppose, like, if we let our children go out and explore, like we let women and even girls play different sports, I think उनको अपना potential भी समझ आएगा. हाँ, यहाँ पर explore ही नहीं करने देते ना.
Explore ही नहीं करने देते. बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है. And I don't understand why. I think 10 years later, or maybe 20 years later, not really sure कि कहाँ हमारी patriarchy हमें खड़ा करती है, but I think in a couple of years women are going to be more fierce, women are going to be more outgoing than they are now. Women are going to be more empowered. And I'm really looking forward to it because I've had my own struggles. I believe every woman who's out there, they have had their own struggle.
Sure.
It's not easy getting out.
True.
I've seen hardly any families who are supportive of their daughter being out there, be it the job, be it anything. They're skeptical all the time, and it's not their fault entirely. We learn from our mistakes. We see it on the social media every day. We see it on the news every day. And I'm telling you, I don't think 80% of the things they get uncovered.
Of course they don't. Yeah.
They
Nobody
don't.
wants to talk about it.
Nobody. It's a taboo. It's a stigma. It's आप अपनी इज्जत अपने हाथ में लेके घूम रहे हो, वो वाली चीज है. And anyways, I really do not support this, and it's something that makes me really emotional that women in our society, they're still they're still behind the doors. They're still behind the veil. They do not want to get out there, and the families, they do not support it.
Yeah, because there's a lot of fear that we live with every day, I guess.
Which is also fine, but then
But
the
you have to
law.
combat fear at some point in time, right? If you want the generations to grow or if people to grow.
Absolutely, absolutely. But then the law has to be strict as well.
Of course, you have to provide that platform to people, like the comfort
Exactly.
and the ease that अगर हम अपनी बेटी को कहीं भेज रहे हैं, so they have to be. But I feel like there are a lot of shortcomings as well. Like even if there are families who do support to an extent, given the nature of the business nowadays, of course, let's suppose someone is in media. तो उन लोगों की रात को भी शूट्स हैं या हमारे भी बहुत काम होते हैं, मीटिंग्स होती हैं, कुछ होता है. So we are kind of, as women, we are bound in terms of like a lot of little things that obviously create a hindrance in our growth. इस वक्त नहीं जाना, यहाँ नहीं जाना, यहाँ नहीं मिलना, travel क्यों करना है? There are a lot of questions, right, that we face. And people don't realize, they're like, you are very lucky that आपकी family ने आपको काम करने दिया, which is a right to do so. But these little things also add up to a bigger thing in the end of the day. Like there are a lot of stigmas attached to a lot of things that could be, tackled with in a better way, I guess.
Yeah, I'll tell you something. I wasn't really lucky when I started working. I wasn't really lucky as well. I've had my struggles. My mom is really supportive. She's a single mother, and she's really supportive of me working. She wants me to explore my own things. She was a journalist in her time.
Wow. Okay.
And this is how she knows that women needs to be empowered. Women are supposed to be out there. That's what she's done. I think it's you're right about the generation wali thing. कि generational ही ये सब कुछ हो रहा है. Like because my mom was allowed to do it, now I'm allowed to do it, and because I was allowed to do it, I let I let my daughter do it. And that's how it's gonna be. But yes, this is something to be talked about. I can literally speak on it for like years and years and years because I see women out there, man.
For sure.
I see my friends. I see my schoolmates. I see my college mates. I am here sitting talking to you right now, even though I feel like I'm very young. I achieved what I wanted in a very young age. But my classmates, the girls I studied with, they are married and they have like kids.
It's not bad to be married.
It's not bad at all, but
But
they did not get the opportunity to explore what they had in the world.
Exactly.
They were not allowed to be out there, right? Abhi, I do not support child marriages at all. And I still feel like people who are 17, they are also
Too young.
So they're too young to get married. But a lot of my friends got married when they were 17. And
Even 21, 22, I would say, is like relatively.
I say
don't
I'm
know.
too young to get married. I'm 24 and I feel like I'm too young to get married. I do not want to get married. And it's not because I'm scared of this, union. I'm not scared of this union. I support marriages. I feel like everybody should get married whenever they
of
find the right
course.
person.
Yeah.
But you should also be given the space to explore first.
Of course.
You should also get out there, explore yourself, find yourself, and then get married. Then settle down.
I mean, like, we're not setting an age for that. If you come across someone who you feel like can grow along with you, I know people who got married at a very early age, but they have very supporting partners. They're both supportive to each other. Not like आदमी ने support किया तो औरत ने achieve किया. They're very supportive and they're both, mashallah, they're achieving a lot of things in their life. So the individual is also growing. So I think it also depends on the circumstances, the people you come across, what your goal is. But as far as the generation gap, of course, that is concerned.
जनरेशन गैप भी, और आई थिंक कि पाकिस्तानी सोसाइटी में एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. मुझे पर्सनली आई डोंट बिलीव कि आपका पार्टनर बहुत जितना भी अच्छा हो. आई थिंक मे बी 10% ऑफ मेन आउट देयर दे सपोर्ट देयर फीमेल पार्टनर्स, बट यूजुअली men don't.
Men don't, yeah.
They don't.
It
They
comes to
cannot
the-
see you achieve more than them.
Oh, definitely. I've gone through something like
Yeah. So
I can relate to
I
that.
know they cannot. एक ना, it's like a सीढ़ी. Your career is like a सीढ़ी. It's like a staircase. Right. आपको support चाहिए होता है पीछे से, कि आप नीचे देखो तो आपको पता हो there's somebody standing out there to, you know, in case you fall. Right. And men do not do that. Pakistani men, at least, they do not do that.
They don't. I can share an experience with you. It's so disturbing to a point. A very well-known family, a very like well, in a way like very मतलब पैसे भी हैं, सब कुछ है, all of the resources. And I was sitting with one of the clients that I have for, you know, my thing, and she was like, you know, I'm very depressed, and she was literally at the point where she was begging me that please, Aisha, like, you know, help me with my business. Otherwise, my husband is like, you know, not supporting. Every day I have to quarrel with him back and forth. I was like, for what reason? It's not like you're wasting money or something. It's an experience on its own. You're very passionate about it. Time लगता है grow करने में. But it's so sad that, you know, like, there is that factor कि बच्चों को देखो ये क्या फजूल काम में लगी हो. ये होती है सोच.
यही सोच है, यही सोच है.
Yeah.
और मुझे लगता है अभी टाइम लगेगा थोड़ा.
काफी लगेगा.
That 10, I'm saying 20 years.
Honestly, मुझे लगता है 2 साल भी हो सकते हैं. It all depends on how much you want.
2 साल में नहीं हो सकता आयशा. I'll be honest with you. आप जनरेशन नहीं चेंज कर सकते. और साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन बात है कि 27 के बाद जब आपका फ्रंटल लोब डेवलप हो जाता है, उसके बाद आपको कुछ चीज़ भी एक्सेप्ट करने में, अपने आप को एजुकेट करने में, अपने आप को एक हैबिट से निकालने में, इट टेक्स टाइम. It takes years and years of efforts.
Yeah.
जो लोग ऑलरेडी एजुकेटेड हैं, जो लोग ऑलरेडी अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं इस बात पे कि वी आर नॉट, मतलब men, they shouldn't feel like we are the competitors of our partner.
Yeah.
They are not the competitor, and even women are not competitors
It's
of their
teamwork.
partners. It's a teamwork.
it's
Relationship is a
partnership.
teamwork.
Yeah,
It's,
definitely.
you know, it's a union. It's a
Exactly.
partnership.
Yeah.
You're shaking hands. You're coming
Yes.
together to become a family, right? You're coming together to grow each other. You're coming together to support each other.
Of course.
And it's really hard to explain, but yeah, that's how.
That's the gist of it, I guess. And honestly, it's not like families have to come from a certain background to be supportive. My mom, she is a basic housewife. कोई बहुत ज़्यादा educational background उनका नहीं था. But like you said, you know, after a certain age, people cannot grow. Like mentally, it's very difficult for them to adapt to given changes in the society. Alhamdulillah, she's like the backbone of me. Like, she has been so supportive. Even if she's not used to what podcast is, she understands. She's like, if you know you're right and bad, like you're right and wrong, you go out in the world and explore. So I know people who will not particularly have those experiences, but alhamdulillah, there are women out there as well who are very, very supportive as
But
well.
mostly it's women, right? Mostly
Yes.
it's women.
It's women.
Because, you know, they know they
Mhm.
were not given the chance.
Exactly, that's what
They
she
do
also
not
said.
want their daughters to go through the same.
Exactly.
They want their daughters to
Yeah.
be out there. They want their daughters to become the soldier that they couldn't be. And I think that's great. I really love my mom, and I really love all the moms out there
Yes.
who are supporting their daughters
Mhm.
and their sons. I'm not gonna say they shouldn't be supporting their sons, obviously, but sons, they require, you know, a little less support. You know, in terms of our society, it's a patriarchal society that we live in, and yeah.
So I'm glad that we now have a platform. I mean, there are other platforms as well, but someone who's openly talking about taboo topics, and that's also very close to my heart. There are certain topics that I feel like this should be spoken about, should be made very normal in the conversations, but unfortunately not. So that's amazing. So do you have a platform, like, do you have the channel on YouTube or any other place where we can go and look at all the series and amazing documentaries that you have?
Yeah, YouTube is a platform itself. Myco is a platform itself. So
So
Myco
it's
pe you have all the channels, you have all the आप जाके सर्च करो, आपको हर चीज मिलेगी वहाँ पे.
Right.
There is nothing that you can't find on Myco. there are a lot of things out there on Myco, right? Things that I don't even know about because it's a huge platform. It has 15 million plus users. People are uploading their content every day. People are making money every day. So yeah, there are a lot of stuff out there on Myco. I'm not gonna be supporting YouTube here. Yeah, watch it on Myco.
For sure. So what's your target audience?
Yeah, my target audience or like the company's target
Company's
audience? Company's target audience is everybody.
Okay.
Everybody. Anybody who has a smartphone. That's my target audience.
So do you think you've been able to reach out because there are people with, not in the urban cities, but you could say probably in rural areas as well, who have
Yeah,
access
why
to
not?
smartphones
I
and
think
stuff?
people in rural areas they have information.
Really?
They are more active on Facebook and Instagram than you and I are.
I didn't know that.
They are absolutely because there are a couple of influencers that I've worked with. They are from you know they're from villages like they're from Sargodha. They're from I don't know if Sargodha is a village or not. They cut it out if the need be. But yeah, I've worked with then there's Sialko, there's Sargodha, there's Sakhar.
Makes sense.
I've worked with people and influencers from there, and they know everything. I did not have hard time explaining to them what Myco is or what the new technologies that you'll be working on. They have worked on it. They're still working on it, and they're as common as we are. They're as uh, they have all the information. They know everything.
So how do you think those people got to know about Myco?
Those people got to know about Myco. I think it's word of mouth first of all, because let's say कि if you're earning money from somewhere, right? और आपके account में आपको weekly 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, let's say whatever the amount is, you're getting that amount, and wouldn't you be telling your friend about it? See, I found this application. It's such a cool application. I watch content and I earn money, right? So I think that's how it got out there. Other than that, we've also worked with a couple of influencers, like I told you, who are from rural cities, and yeah, they quite helped us. And the videos that we made with them and for them, it got it got viral. It got millions and millions of views. Yeah, and I think that's the source of it.
But indirectly, I feel like that's a good thing as well because one way or the other, you are creating a means of income for those people as well.
We are, and it's that's the whole point of the of our brand, of our leaders as well. We want to empower the viewer, right? So our tagline goes like watch it, earn it, own it.
Yeah.
So you watch the content, you earn from it, and then you
Own the platform.
own the
of
platform,
course, yeah.
right? And
Become a part of it.
that's what we believe in as well. हम लोग usually भी जब कोई partnership करते हैं, we don't work on monetarily basis. I mean, we do give money when it's needed, but हम partnerships पे believe करते हैं.
Right.
हम long term
Collaborations
partnerships
in a
पे
way.
believe करते हैं.
Right.
कि if your only goal is money, then we can't work together.
Makes sense.
Your goal should be to help us grow, and our goal should be to help you grow.
You grow.
It's a union again. It's a union again. So yeah, also हमें cricket बहुत help करता है, by the way. Like we were talking about cricket, I think we have cricket lovers all over the country.
For sure.
All over the world, you may say. पाकिस्तानी जहाँ हैं वो क्रिकेट देखते ही हैं शौक से, ठीक है? पाकिस्तानी हो गए, इंडियंस हो गए, कोई भी हो गए, वो क्रिकेट शौक से देखते हैं. So I think cricket really helped us because we are the only platform जो क्रिकेट आपको HD में देखने देता है.
Okay.
ठीक
Live
है.
stream.
Live stream करते हैं हम, absolutely. We live stream the cricket, we live stream every series. अभी currently South Africa versus Pakistan चल रहा है, ठीक है? हम क्रिकेट कंटेंट बनाते हैं, हम क्रिकेट सेंट्रिक हमारा वॉच पार्टीज होती हैं, क्रिकेट सेंट्रिक पॉडकास्ट होते हैं, राइट? हमारे क्रिकेट सेंट्रिक क्विज होते हैं, कॉन्टेस्ट होते हैं ऑन द एप्लीकेशन. सो या आई थिंक क्रिकेट रियली हेल्प्ड अस ग्रो. अदर देन दैट, अगर क्रिकेट देखने से आपको पैसे मिल रहे हैं, सो व्हाट्स बेटर देन दैट? आपका शौक भी पूरा हो रहा है एंड यू आर नॉट वाचिंग इट फॉर फ्री. I mean, the application itself is free. Myco is a free application. You don't have to buy any subscription for that. So no subscription, HD, live stream bhi mil raha hai, and then at the end of the day, you are also earning money.
Earning money.
So what's better?
Yeah. And now I'm remembering one of the, I think it was on one of the YouTube channels, some video, I'm not sure. that someone was sponsoring your ad. Now I'm remembering it. So for
They
sure,
must. हमने initially जब
काफी
when we
था,
started
yeah.
World Cup की बात है last November की, we did, we did work with a lot of influencers, and the campaign went great.
अभी जैसे मतलब ये जो सारे matches हो रहे थे, I think उसमें भी
You must have
किसी
seen
ने-
it in the World Cup, in the
Oh, for
PSL.
sure, yes.
Yeah, हमने बहुत ज़्यादा marketing करी थी, and we know it's not just marketing. We just don't want people to remember Myco. We just don't want people to download the application. We also want people to benefit out of it.
Exactly.
Right? Our whole point is that we want to give power back to the viewer. We just don't want the content creator to grow. We also want the viewer to grow, right? We want to empower you. We want to empower me. We want to empower everybody here in the room. We want you to, if you're watching cricket, why watch it for free?
For free, of course. And everyone has different attachments to different things, and even entertainment.
Yeah.
Myra
And you know,
joined
cricket is an emotion.
It is.
For a lot
and
of
that's
people.
why I remember right away, you know.
Yeah.
Like now I know what Myco is. Now I instantly remember
exactly.
what it is.
So it's an emotion.
Yes.
And we want to pay you for you being emotional for the cricket. So yeah, download the application and
For
explore
sure.
it yourself. I'm not saying it because I work for it. I don't
Well,
work
it sounds
for the
interesting,
product.
to be honest. Yeah.
It is interesting. It is interesting.
It is.
Like I told you, you don't have to pay for the subscription, unlike other applications.
Of course.
You watch it in HD, no lag, and yeah, at the end of the day, you get money out of it.
I'm definitely downloading it because I'm really intrigued, because I think the content is a little different also, I guess, like you mentioned, of course. So there's a lot to look forward to the app also, in terms of not just like the typical content you see everywhere else. I think there must be a lot of other content ideas that
There is. I would recommend you to watch Her Right to Play.
Her Right to Play, for sure.
And it's a great documentary. It's a great show, and we did invest our time and money on it, and it turned out great. There are a lot of stories that you're gonna learn from the documentary, and yeah.
Are there any other documentaries?
There are a lot of documentaries, but I think because we talked about women rights and women issues, so I think this is something that you will be interested in.
For sure, I would love to watch that. Yeah.
Do watch it.
Definitely. On that note, we end the episode today, and it was amazing meeting Husna. Thank you so much once again, and I think I learned so much. And also like a means to earn while viewing content, that seems interesting. So I'm definitely going to be downloading the app, and I look forward to watching the documentary. And इंशाल्लाह हम एक नई एपिसोड में मिलेंगे किसी और इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी के साथ. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज.